हेलो एवरीवन, आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मेड्स राइट्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एनएमसी के द्वारा रिलीज़ किया गया नीट यूजी 2024 सिलेबस फॉर केमिस्ट्री। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो तुरंत ही कर दें। वीडियो पूरा देखें और लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें। सबसे पहले हम फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री का सिलेबस डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट यूनिट इज़ सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इन केमिस्ट्री। इस यूनिट में आपको मैटर एंड इट्स नेचर, डेल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एटम, मॉलिक्यूल, एलिमेंट एंड कंपाउंड, लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन, एटॉमिक एंड मॉलिक्यूलर मासेस, मोल कॉन्सेप्ट, मोलर मास, परसेंटेज composition, empirical and molecular formula, केमिकल इक्वेशंस एंड स्टाइक्योमेट्री, इन सभी टॉपिक्स को रेडी करना है। यूनिट 2 इज़ एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर। इस यूनिट के अंदर आपको नेचर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन, फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट, स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन एटम, बोर मॉडल ऑफ अ हाइड्रोजन एटम, इट्स पोस्टुलेट्स, derivation of the relations for the energy of the electron and radii of different orbits, limitations of Bohr's model, dual nature of matter, de Broglie's relationship, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, elementary ideas of quantum mechanics, the quantum mechanical model of the atom, its important features, concept of atomic orbitals as one electron wave functions, variation of psi and psi square with r for 1s and 2s orbitals, various quantum numbers, principle, angular momentum and magnetic quantum numbers and their significance, shape of s, p and d orbitals, electron spin and spin quantum numbers, rules for filling electrons in orbitals, above principle, Pauli's exclusion principle and Hertz rule, electronic configuration of elements, एक्स्ट्रा स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ हाफ फिल्ड एंड कम्प्लीटली फिल्ड ऑर्बिटल्स, इन सभी टॉपिक्स को रेडी करना है। थर्ड यूनिट इज़ केमिकल बॉन्डिंग एंड मॉलिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर। इस यूनिट में आपको कॉजल लेविस अप्रोच टू केमिकल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ आयोनिक एंड कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स, आयनिक बॉन्डिंग, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आयोनिक बॉन्ड्स, फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आयोनिक बॉन्ड्स, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ लैटिस एंथैल्पी, कोवेलेंट बॉन्डिंग, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, Fajans rule, dipole moment, valence shell electron pair repulsion, VSEPR theory, and shapes of simple molecules, quantum mechanical approach to covalent bonding, valence bond theory, its important features, the concept of hybridization involving s, p and d orbitals, resonance, molecular orbital theory, its important features, LCAOs, types of molecular orbitals, bonding, anti-bonding, sigma and pi bonds, molecular orbital electronic configurations of homonuclear diatomic molecules, the concept of bond order, bond length and bond energy, elementary idea of metallic bonding, hydrogen bonding and its application. नेक्स्ट यूनिट इज केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स। इस यूनिट में फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग्स, एक्सटेंसिव एंड इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टीज, state functions, type of processes, the first law of thermodynamics, concept of work, heat, internal energy and enthalpy, heat capacity, molar heat capacity, Hess law of constant heat summation, enthalpies of bond formation, dissociation, combustion, atomization, sublimation, phase transition, hydration, ionization and solution. The second law of thermodynamics, spontaneity of process, delta S of the universe and delta G of the system as criteria for spontaneity, delta G naught standard Gibbs energy change and equilibrium constant. Next unit is solutions, different methods for expressing the concentration of solution, molarity, mole fraction, percentage by volume and mass both, the vapor pressure of solution and Raoult's law, ideal and non-ideal solutions, vapor pressure composition, plots for ideal and non-ideal solution, colligative properties of dilute solution, a relative lowering of vapor pressure, depression of freezing point, the elevation of boiling point and osmotic pressure, determination of molecular mass using colligative properties, abnormal value of molar mass, want of factor and its significance. Next unit is equilibrium. Meaning of equilibrium, the concept of dynamic equilibrium. equilibria involving physical processes, solid liquid, liquid gas and solid gas equilibria, Henry's law, general characteristic of equilibrium involving physical processes, equilibrium involving chemical processes, law of chemical equilibrium, equilibrium constant Kp and Kc and their significance, the significance of delta G and delta G naught in chemical equilibrium, factors affecting equilibrium concentration, pressure, temperature, the effect of catalyst, Le Chatelier's principle, ionic equilibrium, weak and strong electrolytes, ionization of electrolytes, various concepts of acids and bases, Arrhenius, Bronsted, Lowry and Lewis, and their ionization, acid-base equilibria including multi-stage ionization and ionization constants, ionization of water, pH scale, common ion effect, hydrolysis of salts and pH of their solutions, the solubility of sparingly soluble salts and solubility products, buffer solutions. Next unit is redox reactions and electrochemistry. Electronic concepts of oxidation and reduction, redox reactions, oxidation number, rules for assigning oxidation number, balancing of redox reactions, electrolytic and metallic conduction, conductance in electrolytic solutions, molar conductivities and their variation with concentration, Kohlrausch law and its applications, electrochemical cells, electrolytic and galvanic cells, different types of electrodes, electrode potentials including standard electrode potential, half cell and cell reactions, EMF of a galvanic cell and its measurement, Nernst equation and its applications, relationship between cell potential and Gibbs energy, change, dry cell and lead accumulator, fuel cells. नेक्स्ट यूनिट इज केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. इस यूनिट में आपको रेट ऑफ अ केमिकल रिएक्शन, फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शंस, concentration, temperature, pressure and catalyst, elementary and complex reactions, order and molecularity of reactions, rate law, rate constant and its units, differential and integral forms of zero and first order reactions, their characteristics and half-lives. The effect of temperature on the rate of reactions, Arrhenius theory, activation energy and its calculation, collision theory of biomolecular gaseous reactions, no derivation. Now हम इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का सिलेबस डिस्कस करेंगे. सो यूनिट 9th इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड पीरियोडिसिटी एंड प्रॉपर्टीज. Modern periodic law and present form of the periodic table, S, P and D and F block elements, periodic trends and properties of elements, atomic and ionic radii, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, valency, oxidation states and chemical reactivity. Next unit is P block elements, group 13 to group 18 elements, general introduction, electronic configuration and general trends in physical and chemical properties of elements across the periods and down the groups, unique behavior of the first element in each group. Unit 11th is D and F block elements, transition elements, general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence and characteristics, general trends and properties of the first row, transition elements, physical properties, ionization enthalpy, oxidation states, atomic radii, color, catalytic behavior, magnetic properties, complex formation, interstitial compounds, alloy formation, preparation, properties and uses of K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4, inner transition elements, lanthanoids, electronic configuration, oxidation states and lanthanoid contraction, actinoids, electronic configuration and oxidation states. Next unit is coordination compounds, introduction to coordination compounds, Werner's theory, ligands, coordination number, denticity, chelation, IUPAC nomenclature of mononuclear coordination compounds, isomerism, bonding, valence bond approach and basic ideas of crystal field theory, color and magnetic properties, importance of coordination compound in qualitative analysis, extraction of metals and in biological systems. Now हम organic chemistry का syllabus discuss करेंगे. So 13th unit is purification and characterization of organic compounds. In purification, crystallization, sublimation, distillation, differential extraction and chromatography, principles and their applications. Next is qualitative analysis, detection of nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus and halogens. Next is quantitative analysis, basic principles only, estimation of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, halogens, sulfur, phosphorus, calculations of empirical formula and molecular formula, numerical problems in organic quantitative analysis. Next unit is some basic principles of organic chemistry. Tetravalency of carbon, shapes of simple molecules, hybridization SNP, classification of organic compounds based on functional groups and those containing halogens, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur, homologous series, isomerism, structural and stereoisomerism, nomenclature, trivial and IUPAC, covalent bond fission, homolytic and heterolytic, free radicals, carbocations and carbanions, stability of carbocations and free radicals, electrophiles and nucleophiles, electronic displacement in a covalent bond, inductive effect, electromeric effect, resonance and hyperconjugation. Common types of organic reaction: substitution, addition, elimination and rearrangement. Next unit is hydrocarbons, classification, isomerism, IUPAC nomenclature, general methods of preparation, properties and reaction, alkanes, conformation, Sawhorse and Newman projection of ethane, mechanism of halogenation of alkenes, geometrical isomerism, mechanism of electrophilic addition, addition of hydrogen, halogen, water, hydrogen halides, Markovnikov's and peroxide effect, ozonolysis and polymerization, alkynes, acidic character, addition of hydrogen, halogens, water and hydrogen halides, polymerization, aromatic hydrocarbons, nomenclature, benzene, structure and aromaticity, mechanism of electrophilic substitution, halogenation, nitration, Friedel-Crafts, alkylation and acylation, directive influence of the functional group in monosubstituted benzene. Next unit is organic compounds containing halogens, general methods of preparation, properties and reactions, nature of CX bond, mechanism of substitution reactions, uses, environmental effects of chloroform, iodoform, freons and DDT. Next unit is organic compounds containing oxygen, general methods of preparation, properties, reactions and uses, alcohols, phenols and ethers. Alcohols, identification of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, mechanism of dehydration. Phenols, acidic nature, electrophilic substitution reaction, halogenation, nitration and sulfonation, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Ethers, structure. Aldehyde and ketones, nature of carbonyl compound, nucleophilic addition to CO group, relative reactivities of aldehydes and ketones, important reactions such as nucleophilic addition reaction, addition of HCN, ammonia and its derivatives, Grignard reagent, oxidation reduction, Wolff-Kissner and Clemenson, the acidity of alpha hydrogen, aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, haloform reaction, chemical test to distinguish between aldehyde and ketones, carboxylic acids, acidic strength and factors affecting it. Next unit is organic compounds containing nitrogen, general methods of preparation, properties, reactions and uses, amines, nomenclature, classification, structure, basic character and identification of primary, secondary and tertiary amines and their basic character. Diazonium salts, importance in synthetic organic chemistry. Unit 19, biomolecules, general introduction and importance of biomolecules, carbohydrates, classification, aldoses and ketoses, monosaccharides, glucose and fructose, and constituent monosaccharides of oligosaccharides, sucrose, lactose and maltose. Next is proteins, elementary idea of alpha amino acids, peptide bond, polypeptides, proteins, primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary structure, qualitative idea only, denaturation of proteins, enzymes, vitamins, classification and functions, nucleic acids, chemical constitution of DNA and RNA, biological functions of nucleic acids, hormones, general introduction. Unit 20th, principles related to practical chemistry. Detection of extra elements, nitrogen, sulfur, halogens in organic compounds, detection of the following functional groups: hydroxyl, alcoholic and phenolic, carbonyl, aldehyde and ketones, carboxyl and amino groups in organic compounds. The chemistry involved in the preparation of the following: inorganic compounds, Morse salt, potash alum, organic compounds, acetanilide, paranitroacetanilide, aniline, yellow, iodoform. The chemistry involved in the titrimetric exercises, acids, bases and uses of indicators ऑक्जेलिक एसिड वर्सेस कैमेनोफोर, मोर्स सॉल्ट वर्सेस कैमेनोफोर, chemical principles involved in the qualitative salt analysis, cations, Pb+2, Cu+2, Al+3, Fe+3, Zn+2, Ni+2, Ca+2, Ba+2, Mg+2 and ammonium ion. Anions CO3 twice negative, S2 negative, SO4 2 negative, NO3 negative, NO2 negative, Cl negative, Br negative, I negative. Insoluble salts excluded. Chemical principles involved in the following experiments: enthalpy of solution of copper sulfate, enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid and strong base, preparation of lyophilic and lyophobic salts, kinetic study of the reaction of iodide ions with hydrogen peroxide at room temperature. सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हमने एनएमसी द्वारा अपडेटेड नीट यूजी 2024 सिलेबस फॉर केमिस्ट्री देखा। आगे की सारी इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स ऑन टाइम रिसीव करने के लिए आप मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल t.me/dawn1345 भी ज्वाइन कर लें। टेलीग्राम चैनल की लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी अवेलेबल है, आप चाहें तो डायरेक्टली वहां से भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, स्टे ट्यून्ड ऑल।